Hello guys, today we're going to be installing Vector Off-Road's mid-width 30-inch passenger side JKE-Dock. Vector Off-Road was kind enough to send me this product to make an install video and review for you guys. So we're going to go ahead and get right into it. It's very simple installation. So let's go ahead and get into a product overview. Quick install, but you're going to need 3 tools: a flathead screwdriver, a 7mm socket. I just have it on a screwdriver attachment, but you can have it on a ratchet, and a size 4 hex key. Now it's very simple. It's going to take like 5 minutes, so let's go ahead and get right into it. Alright, so you want to start on your passenger side and remove this piece right here. You can do this with a flathead screwdriver. There's a little tab you can stick your screwdriver into, and just pry it real easy, and it comes out like that. Next, you want to get this rod that they provide you with, and just twist it in. And you can just get your 4 Allen key and tighten it down. Now you want to go reverse direction to unscrew the top screw. Just like that. Now let's go ahead and come to the inside. Alright, so now you want to go reach over and remove this coin tray. It's real easy, you just kind of pull it off. And now you want to get your 7mm socket and just unscrew the screw that goes into the dashboard. Pull that out. And also now you can fully remove this screw on the mounting post. Now you can bring in your dock system and line up the screw on your mounting bracket. And just start this with your fingers and don't tighten it all the way. And then you want to get your 7mm screw you just took out and line it up. And I'll start by tightening it down a little bit. And now you want to kind of center up the dock. That looks good right there. So we're going to go ahead and tighten it down, just nice and snug, and then go ahead and tighten up this bolt right here. Now, come to notice, you can't reuse your coin tray, but I will be making a modification to this tray, or I'll actually maybe make a new one in the future, so I can have that same coin tray. Now you can use this dock for several things. These are compatible with the RAM mounts, so you can mount up your laptop, tablet, phone, GPS, GoPro, name it, you can probably put it up on here. So I'm going to go ahead and order some mounts for my DSLR camera, my GoPro, and my phone, and I'll make another video about that later. But that's the video for today, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. I'll leave a link in the description below to the product that I just put on my Jeep, the mid-width JKE-Dock. Thank you again to Vector Off-Road for sending me this product to test out. and fit on my Jeep. Hope you guys are having a great day. Like the video, subscribe to the channel for more content like this. Comment below if you have the same dock or if you have the full width dock. And yeah, check out VictorOffroad.com. Peace out, guys. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.